gun lawyer.
Hi, gun lawyer here, Cheshire DeBrosse, answering questions today. This question comes from a Tyler. Tyler, I'm going to apologize now, but my last name gets mispronounced a lot too. Tyler, well, I'm not going to try. It starts with an M. So Tyler writes, so I have 3 rifles on a gun rack in my truck. Tyler, I didn't know those existed anymore when I was a child, or I guess a teenager. I went to from a very small town in Ohio, and we had a lot of pickup trucks in my rural high school, and a lot of people would go hunting after school. They'd have those racks. You don't see them a lot anymore. But it says, I live in Toledo, and am I able to have those in my rack, in my truck, as long as the ammo is not in the weapon, but in a locked box? So a couple issues here, Tyler. First, you are allowed to have those rifles or those long guns, if that's what they're considered, as long as they're unloaded and stored in a rack made for that purpose in plain sight, which it sounds like they would be. And then the issue becomes is whether, as far as the ammo, is whether or not it's considered a loaded firearm. And the way you describe this, there's no magazine or speed loader of the ammunition in, so it's unloaded. The ammunition can be carried not even necessarily in a locked box. It can just be in on your front seat if it's just in the box you bought it at the store with. But the law does say that if you want to carry it in a magazine or in a speed loader, it's got to be in a complete and separate enclosure from the weapon. So just understand that some rifles may have external magazines, and you might have ammunition in a magazine. But you continue on to say, and am I able to have the ammo in the locked box in the cab of the truck as well? I would say absolutely you are. I see no reason under the law why you couldn't. But you should be fine. So hopefully I answered your question, Tyler. Be safe out there, carry on. HiveGunLawyer.com, Cheshire DeBrosse.